To make the daffodil, you're going to cut out the template. You're going to need 2 of the petals, 1 of these centers, and 1 of this piece. You could do it in any color you want because there's a lot of different colors of daffodils. And optional is the leaf piece. If you're going to put it in a pot and make it look like it's a potted plant, then you want the leaf. But if you're putting it in a vase, you don't really need the leaf. To start out, you're going to take a pair of scissors and your petal part, and you're going to keep your scissors closed and put it in the center and fold the leaf or the petals around the scissors, and you're going to give it a little crease. And then you're going to take the scissors and curl the edge. You're going to do that with all the petals. Then once you have those curled and shaped, you're going to fold the petals up to give them a little bit of a shape. Repeat with the other petals. Next, you're going to take this piece and you're going to fold it at all the dotted lines. Then you're going to fold these tabs in. And then you're going to glue onto the tab and form it into a circle. Next, you're going to take this piece and you're going to roll it up. You want to start rolling it up on the side with the large piece. Then glue it shut. Next, you're going to glue the cone shape into this middle of the petals. And I forgot, I didn't glue the petals together. So glue the petals together first, and then glue in the cone shape. Next, take this piece and then glue it into the center of the cone. Now we got to put it on a wire. Put on the wire, you take the wire, and then you're going to you're going to form a circle at one end and bend it at 90 degrees. Glue the top of the wire, and then stick it onto the back of the flower. Let it dry. Once it's dry, you're going to take a square of toilet paper and cut it at a diagonal down the middle. Take your triangle, fold it in half, and then put it right at the base of the flower. So you want the long end to be at the top near the flower. And then you're going to start rolling it. And because you cut it in a triangle, the top's going to be fatter than the bottom. glue it down. And then take some floral tape. Wrap it around at the base of the flower. And then cover your toilet paper. End it a little bit right below the flower. And your daffodil is done. If you want to pot your daffodil, take the leaf piece and start rolling it up loosely. Then glue it at the end. And fold your petals out, or your leaves out. You're going to make as many of these as you need. If you're potting your daffodil, you're going to have your leaves. I made 9 total. You're going to take a small wire. You're going to glue into the middle of the leaves. Stick the wire into the glue and let it dry. Next, you're going to take your leaves and stick the floral wire into the foam. Now that all your leaves are in, you're going to take your daffodils and stick them in too. Now that you have all your daffodils and leaves in, you're going to take some reindeer moss and you're going to cover up the foam. And your daffodil is done.